What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you exercise, you've definitely noticed the supplement ads that tell you you're gonna lose fat faster, they'll make you help you build muscle faster, all of that BS. And I definitely believe that back in the day. But you're watching this video so you can find out which ones actually work, and even if they work, which ones are worth it to spend your money on consistently. But before we begin, if you enjoyed the video or find it helpful, please like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for weekly videos. Alright guys, we're going to go over two things in today's video. The first one being a disclaimer, and then we'll hop into the top 5 supplements that are worth it and that work. Let's hop into the disclaimer though first. So supplements are not magic, and they're not going to work unless you're doing the work too. Any supplement that says they're going to do the work for you and that they're going to make it fast or quick, run away from that. They're just trying to get your money, and it's not worth it because supplements are just there to supplement your nutrition and training. All right, let's hop into the top 5. Number 1 is protein powder. Protein powder is extremely helpful if you have a hard time hitting your protein goal through eating regular food. It has 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving or per scoop. This one has 25 grams. And a pro tip, if you hate drinking protein powder with water, like I do, make smoothies or milkshakes with it. So what I do is I put 1 to 2 scoops of Rise's loaded protein peanut butter cup into a NutriBullet with oatmeal, sometimes oatmeal. I know that's weird, but it's so good, you gotta try it. Oatmeal, oat milk, cashew milk, and peanut butter. And I just have that probably about 3 times a week. It's so much better than just having it with normal water. So if you don't like it with water, try out a smoothie or milkshake with your protein. But protein powder is extremely helpful to help propel you towards hitting that protein goal daily. Number 2 is going to be pre-workout, a low-calorie energy drink, or coffee. So you don't need this every single time you work out, but if you're feeling tired or you have low energy, having one of these before you go work out can definitely help you find that energy, and it'll make for a more fun workout as well. Number 3 is creatine. Creatine is definitely one of the best, and it's the most researched and proven supplements in the world. Proven to provide your body with a larger strength output. And all that means is that it'll allow your muscles to regenerate energy just a bit faster. So you'll be able to lift heavier weights, you'll be able to do more reps, maybe both, and then that will allow you to build more lean muscle mass, which will lead to you burning more calories during your workouts and while you're resting. And right now you're probably thinking that creatine sounds like the best thing to take with all the benefits, right? And it is, but it's not magic, right? These things aren't gonna happen immediately. You're not gonna get quick 20 pounds of muscle or anything like that. It just works over time by taking 5 grams daily. This is creatine monohydrate. It's the most researched one. There's many other types of creatine. The only proven side effect of this is stomach pain with some people. So if that is you, take creatine HCl, and that has been shown to help that. And one other side effect is the scale might go up. This is not fat, it's not muscle either right away. It's water inside of your muscles. So just keep that in mind if you start taking creatine. All right, number 4 is multivitamins. These next 2 are pretty boring, but multivitamins, you should be getting most of your vitamins through your regular food anyways, but just think of it as nutritional insurance. So any vitamins or minerals that you're not getting from your food, or you might be lacking from your food, you'll get them from your multivitamin. And number 5 is fish oil. Fish oil, shout out Costco. Fish oil is great if you're not eating fish 1 to 3 times per week. It helps keep your heart healthy, your joints healthy, your hormones healthy, and it helps with your brain function as well. All right guys, that concludes the top 5 supplements that work and that are worth your money. Keep in mind though, you don't need any of these things to achieve your fat loss or muscle building goals. They're just there to help if you need it or want it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, comment something down below, and subscribe for weekly videos.